going on, guys? Welcome back to Striker TV. Today we have a super special episode. If you know this logo, you know what I'm talking about. This is Enginehawk. Enginehawk is a company that Ruroc, the motorcycle helmet company. They make these. That's my cat in the background. They make these. They just started making motorcycle jackets, pullover sweaters, half zip sweaters for riding. So that's what this is. So let's get it open. Sorry for the weird camera angle. I actually had to strap the camera to my chest. I don't have a tripod or anything like that just yet. But there we go. Let's see what's in here. Okay, let's see. First opening. Got a cool Enginehawk. Huge letters. Check that out. Enginehawk was born to revolutionize the motorcycle industry and completely redefine what motorcycle apparel can be. Welcome to Enginehawk. Even got some cool paper here going on. See what we got in here. Wow, nice bag. First thing right up top, book bag. It's actually really nice and feels like it would be water resistant. There's actually something in there. I think it's actually the back protector. So we'll get to that in a little bit. Get the next thing up. Oh wow. Here we go. This is the 50 cal. Got the huge logo on the back there. Got the gussets for when you reach. Some more quilted patterns at the bottom. You got some extenders. But we'll put that to the side for right now. See what else we got in here. Alright, looks like we got a t-shirt. Enginehawk t-shirt. Another Enginehawk t-shirt, a black one. Another Enginehawk t-shirt. Wow, I think this one is actually long sleeve, yeah. You got a hoodie, a zipper hoodie, and a pullover hoodie. So let me quickly unbag all these and we'll see what they look like. Alright guys, I didn't even get everything unbagged yet. I just opened the first hoodie and I gotta tell you, man, this hoodie is so thick and it feels so durable. Oh wow, check that out. These are weighted too so that they don't fly around when you're riding. Really like the way they put these logos black on black. Everything's black on black. I really love that. Ghosted out like that. It's got a big pocket on the bottom. And on the hood, you actually have their huge logo. Really good looking hoodie. I didn't even get everything open yet. I just wanted to let you know, man, this quality is feeling great so far. More awesome quality on the zip up hoodie. This one has a smaller logo on the sleeve. Another EH branding right there on the chest. Each time I use one of these zippers, the zipper on this or the zipper on the leather jacket, I mean, these are high quality zippers. These aren't those plastic zippers or those, those cheap zippers that sometimes you get on cheaper apparel and cheaper sweaters and hoodies. Super thick. I can't wait to wear these, especially in the winter months coming up. All right, let's keep going. All right, I just opened the long sleeve, and I don't know if they advertise it as this, but this almost feels like a moisture wicking material. It doesn't feel like it would make you sweat. It's like almost I don't want to say an Under Armour because it's not as stretchy, but it does have some flex to it, and it feels like it would actually let you breathe. Wouldn't be too thick on you. Check that out. Got the little Enginehawk logo there. Even like their tags are so cool. Reminds me of like Cyberpunk or something like that. Another layer that you can put on, and it's got the logo here on the sleeve. Check that out. Man, I'm loving the quality of all this stuff so far. Let's keep moving. Opened up the first small t-shirt, and I just noticed this actually. I didn't really pay attention to it on the long sleeve, but they have this line here for your neck. I'm not sure if that's for any kind of sweat or anything. Think about it. You have a helmet on, you have a jacket on, and it's a hot day, you're going to be sweating, and a lot of times that sweat just drips right down your back, and it seems like this is to absorb all that sweat that comes from your head. And again, the tee doesn't feel super thick, but it also feels almost as if it would be a moisture wicking material. When you're on a bike, especially in the summer months and stuff, it gets hot. Let's see what else we got. Here we got the white tee. It's so cool, the black logo they put on there. It's like a rubbery material. Really cool. We'll see how that holds up actually. Really feels light and flowy. Doesn't feel like it'll make you sweat. I know a lot of people aren't here just to watch these clothes, but just figured I'd go through everything that's in here. I really like this this little book bag. I mean, it's not even little. Look at how big this thing is. You could fit a ton of stuff in here. Well, let's see what's actually in there. I think it's the back. Yep, this is the back protector, SIS Tech. So I've never had this. I've seen reviews and stuff online, and they are so right when they talk about how weird this feels. I mean, it feels like almost like that play sand that you can get now, but then it's super flexible and also hard at the same time. It's really weird, really hard to explain, but that's really cool that they threw this in. I'm gonna throw this in the jacket as well. You know, it should be able to protect your spine pretty well if you, God forbid, you do come off the bike. Really cool. I mean, check this out. It just slowly conforms and molds to everything you drop it on, but it doesn't feel like I've had some like Icon back protectors and stuff in the past, and those are normally a rigid structure, so a few times I've actually cracked those, and then that's it. You can't get them back. This thing, I mean, it's like it's alive or something. Check that out. And all of their armor that they put in all of their apparel has the SAS Tech. This is really cool. Just found this on the jacket's hanger. Comes with a little lanyard wrapped around it, and the lanyard has a little user manual for your jacket. Tells you the instructions on how to take care of it, how to put the armor in. Little tiny manual. Threw the jacket on and my hands in the pocket. Check this out. They give you all this candy. Lots of candy in this jacket. I'm only kidding. Do not eat this. Just noticed this when I put it on. Check that out. Your secret little pocket there. Your phone, keys, whatever you want to put in there. You can barely tell it's there. It's got a little pull. It's easy. Okay, so it's been about 2 weeks since I received all the Enginehawk products. I was already pretty impressed with how far Ruroc had come in such a short amount of time with their helmets, but I have to admit I've been even more impressed with their apparel. Since I picked them up, I feel like I've been wearing nothing but Enginehawk and Ruroc shirts and hoodies. The t-shirts are really comfortable and light, and the hoodies are really thick and soft. I've only worn the 50 cal a handful of times admittedly, as it's still a bit hot out here, but already it feels like it's broken in and it's not stiff like some other jackets I've had. The stitching and the quality of the leather is top notch, and I don't have any issues when reaching for the controls thanks to the gussets on the back. The styling and comfort are one of the main reasons I'd say to pick up an Enginehawk product. As a company, they are just starting out, but in my opinion, their designs are the best, bar none. Another thing I've discovered is that the same SAS armor that was given for the back is already installed in the shoulders and the elbows. If I didn't look, I wouldn't have known, as they conform to your body so well and make it easy to move around while also staying protected. The zippers on the sleeves of the 50 cal make it really easy to get the jacket on and off with gloves on, and all of their apparel pairs so well with the Ruroc Atlas helmets. The main zipper is admittedly sometimes a bit stiff, but I feel like with time that will loosen up once I use it a bunch. There are 2 snaps on the neck for when you really need to take the sting out of the wind, but I don't think I'll be using them much day to day. I have an unusually thick neck, but the snaps are able to close without a problem and without cutting off my air supply. The 50 cal is a bit on the heavy side, but that's to be expected on such a thick leather jacket, And because the armor is so light, it makes the fully padded jacket much lighter than jackets I've had with traditional pads. I picked up a medium and it fits me well enough to wear on its own, but also has enough space to fit one of their hoodies underneath for a really cold day. For really cold days, there's also a zippered system built right into the 50 cal for Enginehawk's thermal liners. I would really like to check out either the Raptor or their Predator series for a lighter weight jacket for the summer and fall, but if you head to their website, you'll see that they have a lot of great designs for all types of weather throughout the year. On the 50 cal, the main zipper is also a double zipper system that allows you to open it up from the bottom to give you a bit more comfort. As for storage, there are plenty of pockets, including this hidden pocket on the inside of the jacket that is great to store your phone, wallet, or keys in. The attention to detail again is fantastic on this jacket, and you can even see their logos etched into each of the zipper pulls. For a bit more comfort, there's also an expansion zipper on the right rear portion of the 50 cal to give you a bit more room should you need it. I need to give a huge shout out to Dan over at Ruroc. He's been really helpful, and it's really rare to find a CEO that would go out of his way to answer questions and be part of the community. If you're interested in any of the gear seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Stay tuned for my next unboxing of all new Ruroc products. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.